have here the compostable sandwich bags. Immediately, these feel sturdier than I expected, and they look clean and intentional. They are not flimsy. They are not gimmicky, nothing. They feel like a real replacement for plastic, something you're not really compromising on. What I like, the material feels so thick and durable, not crinkly or weak. They seal so well, and they stay closed in both the fridge and the freezer under testing. I like that they're usable day to day, and you can reuse this a few times. Just rinse it out. Nothing like greasy, but maybe like I've used this for sandwiches, grapes, cut apples, and knowing that they are home compostable really takes the guilt out of using these daily. Why this brand does stand out to me, they feel closer to traditional plastic bags than most compostable options that we've tried. They hold up again through freezing and thawing. They do not tear. And they are certified compostable and food safe without feeling overly delicate. There's nothing delicate about these. Such an easy switch if you want to reduce plastic without really changing any habits. But bottom line, if you want to cut back on plastic, but you still need bags that work, these ones are going to be like bags you're used to. They make that transition so painless. Swap them out today in your kitchen and see if you miss the old ones. You're not going to. These are really good. The Compostic compostable sandwich bags, highly recommend. This video is sponsored by the brand. The thoughts are my own.